What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kings YouTube channel. We are back for another video at a mall I haven't been to in forever. Let's go. Glendale Galleria. Question is the Nike retail shop even worth going to? That's the question I have. We'll look around and see where we end up. Do got a Champs? Let's start here. Y'all know I do look for the 70% off whenever I come here. I just talked to one of the workers. I was like, y'all used to have stuff for 70% off and now it's 50. Yeah, he did confirm that, so that did happen. We'll see. Well, eventually we'll see stuff go back down. Stuff's selling super slow right now. I'm building a pretty good collection of sports gear, especially the last 2 years. I think I'm gonna eventually get one of these. I don't know why, but I like the cream color. It's just different than just the white, so that's pretty fire. This one, a little too kiddish or too much like kid stuff for me. But yeah, these are 115. I think these are 100? 110 for these. So, you know, if these drop, I might have to grab one of these eventually. And of course they do got jerseys, but everything is regular price. Like that, I can't wear that. This, maybe, but I just kind of like the old school stuff a lot more. But yeah, if they go on sale, we'll definitely look at more of these. I think I have this one coming. Do I have this one coming? I don't know. I have a few jerseys coming. Hopefully they come soon. Jordans right here. Champs definitely been getting the short end of the stick when it comes to Jordan retros. Foot Locker been taking all of them. And Champs, they haven't been getting that many, but they do have the Toros right there. Got the 12s, 5s, 13s. Got some mids right there. Oh, got a 7. That 7 should be over there, shouldn't it? And then got the 211 low IEs. Do got the Curry 10s right here. Those, is that the newest model? No, the Curry 11s are coming out. I don't think they're out yet, but do got a bunch of Curry 10s. Some on sale, some not on sale. This colorway, I kind of like this colorway, maybe because it is the Golden State colorway. And then do got the 2s right here. They are retroing some of his older ones, which is pretty fire. Don't let Jordan be the only ones do that. That's dope. The old schools right here. Some Vans on sale. Okay. Starting to see $30 sales. Where were these when I needed one before, fools? Okay. We've been seeing the Air Max 97s. Those have been heavily discounted lately. This 95 right here, probably the cheapest 95. We've seen these for like $60 at some places, but a lot of Air Max on sale right now, man. And I'm still keeping tabs on these. When they go down, might have to grab these. I'm not even trying to buy stuff right now, but I am a huge fan of the Air More Tempos. So yeah, I'm gonna have to grab these if they go down a little bit more. Remember, you can use the coupon codes and stuff like that too. I don't even think I have any coupons right now, but yeah, when I mean coupon codes, I mean the survey coupons. Definitely keep a bunch of those on hand. And do got the Zoom Freak 5s. These look so much better than the 4s right here. These just look sleek. We've actually been seeing some of these on sale already, which is kind of crazy. But I do like the look of these Zoom Freaks 5s. These look dope. I don't know about the leather material, and then yeah, I'm not a huge fan of that, but they look super sleek. I love the huge jumbo sign on the lateral side right there. These are fire. They kind of look like an evolution of these, man. I'm telling you, they look like an evolution of the LeBrons right here. They still got 19s, they got 20s, but they don't have the 21s yet. That's definitely interesting. Seeing them on sale though, 50% off, not bad. $10 section right here. You know, I gotta see what's up, man. I ain't trying, damn underwear. I'm trying to find some heat. Gotta find Clippers beanie right here. Not too bad. I'm gonna hit up Pro Image because they've been having some dope stuff. Yeah, nothing much here. Yeah, no 70% off. And I did talk to one of the workers here, and yeah, he did tell me all the 70s are pretty much gone. So, all right, I guess I know to stop looking for those. The massage guy was trying to recruit me. He said 1 minute free. What the fuck am I gonna do with 1 minute? What am I gonna do with 1 minute? All right, let's look around here. Never heard of that before. It's kind of random. All right, I guess we'll start here. Got some dunks, gum bottom. Haven't seen that too often. Okay, that looks like the Nike ID that I made. Just don't see the young kids liking the gum bottoms nowadays. Dude, got some Yeezys right here. Got some Yeezys. What are these? 350 V2 compacts? They look slightly different. The upper looks slightly different. Okay. But they do got them here. That's what they call in this section. So I've told you guys, it changes everywhere you go. Every JD Sports Finish Line has a different name for this area. And do got some pennies on sale. That is pretty fire. Pretty fire. I have a couple jerseys coming. Penny jerseys. I was like, damn it, I didn't get his OG ones. I just didn't have money back then. Oh, for those at least. Alright, you guys are gonna have to do better on those. Got some Air Max Plus 3s. What is that? Is that really $5 off? Really? 550s right here, 650s right here. Immortalities, $75, you get an extra 25 off. Nothing too crazy. I like these. But yeah, nothing too crazy. We've seen these at the outlet a bunch of times. Yeah. Sneaker cleaner people asking a million times. Dude, I've worn these shoes like 3 times. All right, let's go to Foot Locker and see what's up. One of the few flex stores that actually has 70% off section. I was like, are these PJs? No, this fleece jacket, $80. So what, 24 bucks for those? That's just hella colorful. Jordan brand. Let's go for 85. You get another 70% off that. Just on 2 bills for those. Got some Nike sweats right here, 70% off. Price tag is right here. These are 55. I got these super orange Tennessee Volunteers looking shorts. I have 65 for those. I haven't been hitting up the malls that often, but this is the first time I've seen these. The Charles Barkley CB4s. Not gonna lie, this is the first time I've seen these in a long time. Dude got that interesting tongue right there. It is like a booty fit. So there's the inside, then the outside. That just looks funny. If you're perverted, you know what I'm talking about. But okay. Dude got these. Haven't seen these too many spots. This is the only Air More Tempo here. I'm surprised. We've been seeing these in a bunch of different colorways on sale at most spots. That's interesting. For the non-sneakerheads right there. Are people still into the Vapor Maxes? I feel like people aren't into them anymore. I never was like the hugest fan of the Vapor Max. I do have one pair. The Flyknits, I know the Flyknits are way better. I got a 2019. It's kind of whatever. The Flyknit ones are just so much more comfortable than the one that I have. I like these way more than mine. This colorway is a little nuts though. Adidas section right here. Worker just passed me like 2 seconds ago and he didn't see that on the ground. Really? I do got these, the Web Boost. Look at this, $80, $100 off those. That is kind of crazy. Simpsons collab. There's one where it used the colorways from the room, like the living room where the TV is and stuff. This one is it? Shoot, I forgot. Itchy and Scratchy, I think. Characters. Okay. It's not bad. This is slightly better material than just the regular forms. St. Vincent St. Mary's colorway of the T-Mac. Are these the T-Mac 1s? T-Mac 2s, my bad. T-Mac 2s right here. Okay. And these are the T-Mac ones, my bad. T-Mac 1s right here. Okay. When I was younger, this mall used to be so freaking huge, like the biggest mall I've ever been to, and then now it's small. It's small, but there's a pain in the ass to walk over here. Let's look around this area. Let's look at this store, see what's going on. This lids right here. Got Aaron Rodgers jersey. It is 30% off because he's not even playing. He's injured all season. So yeah, these are $130. This is the pressed on numbers though. And Stafford jerseys. This one's actually pretty nice. Kind of do like the black one, $120 or $140. I don't know. Why does that one say 120? I don't know. But yeah, buck something. Do get 30% off. Then I happen to come here. Look, it says Ultimate Clearance Event, and I'm like, wait, I don't see any sales tags or nothing. But then I happen to look at this one right here. $5 for a $35 hat. It's a Browns, I don't know, like a flex fit type of hat or something. Got Doyer's hat right here, classic 47 brand Doyer's hat, $20. Oh, this is normally $25? That's actually pretty nice. I know it's not New Era, but still, just got a classic logo right there, Doyer sign right there. That's not bad if you like snapbacks. This is my size right here. This is down to $30, normally $45. That's too much, doggies. Doyer's hat right here. Trucker hat going for $15, normally $38. Niners hat right here. Looks like a low crown one or something. Kind of looks weird. $20, normally $33. King's hat, $25 for this 47 brand. Doyer's hat right here. $15 for that. It says 25, but it's going for 15. This is a pretty clean hat with the circular logo. All right, we're good. $30, normally $45. Angel's hat right here. Fitted hat going for 20. This one, I've never seen that logo. These are going for 20 as well. Braves hat right here. Fitted hat going for 30. Here we go. Niners hat right here. We're just getting different hats every pull, dude. 45 down to 30. And this one right here, this is interesting. Like a jersey material or something. These are going for $50. I don't think these are on sale, I guess. All right, they do got stuff on sale because, you know, most hats are what, $35, $40. Just have to go through everything. Yeah, we've gone through enough. All right, let's go check out some more spots. Been finding some deals at Pro Sports. Let's look around here. Looking to see if they have any sales racks. Most of the places that we have been having sales racks. I don't see one here. They do have a bunch of stuff here. Of course, everything is full price. Like, I really don't want to pay full price. This is nice. I need like a beanie. I don't have any Niners beanies. I do have like 3 Lakers beanies, no Niners beanies. They are going for $30. This is the 2023 one. As I drop it, this is super nice. I really like that one. Way better than just that material. Like, each one of these are different. That one's pretty nice. That one's going for $28. That is a new era one as well. This one's pretty decent right here. Not lined or anything, but let's see. How much does that one go for? That one's going for $33. 33 bucks. Yeah, a little pricier than I want to pay. I'm too cheap to pay $33 for a beanie, especially when I get them for like $10 whenever they go on sale, and then I end up buying it for other people. I don't even buy it for myself. Yeah, I have like a weird system going on here, man. Oh, they do have sales right here. Okay, let's see what these fitted hats are going for. Diamond, looks like this Diamondbacks, normally $55. It just says 15 to 30, so I don't know. They're not really priced. Usually you price them, right? Like, I don't really see it. That's probably the $15 one because the MSRP is way lower. Yeah, I don't know. None of them are priced, man. It's not very good for video, you guys. All right, so they do have stuff on sale. Colors a little wonky. So Skechers, they got Snoop Dogg sneakers. We did look at that on this channel, and then they got, I think they're signing Embiid and they're signing other NBA players. Am I gonna have to start going there for reviews as well? Holy cow, what's this world coming to? Dude got a Borders right here. Someone just sent me a message asking where they could find the SB Ducklow Fogs. I was like, really? If I could have found one, I would have got one for myself. All right, let's go see what's up here. I don't think I'm showing what I'm wearing. I don't think I've shown what I'm wearing. Air More Up Tempos. I told you guys I freaking love these. This is one of the OG ones. Yeah, man, these are fire, dude. I freaking love these. I can't believe I found these for retail a while back. Then threw on a Pippen jersey because wearing Pippen shoes, right? Yeah, man. Dang, dude, I'm being hidden. What the hell? Got a ton of sneakers here. They do have Lakai too. Let me see if they have the Lakai that I want. I know the first question everybody has, do they got the SB Dunks here? They do have these. SB Dunk. What is that? Candy corns? So that is kind of dope that they do have these here. And they got the Leo Bakers. This is, I think, the newest SB signature shoe. These don't look bad. What are these going for? What, 95? Got 3 different colorways. Got a ton of SB Blazers right here. These all go for $100. These go for 90. I guess these are some of the older ones. Okay. More SB Blazers down there. iShod wears. Got 10 different colorways of the iShods. Actually more. I think 12 different colorways, which are fire. Black on gum. I've never even seen this colorway. What the hell? All black right here. Dude got a Chicago colorway. These are 110. They went up to 115. I guess they raised them $10. Okay, okay. Yeah, man. People aren't into the highs, man. These are fire though. These are fire, especially if you like SB dunks, man. Like materials, nice. All right, I do gotta go. These are the Lakais right here, the Telford lows. Do kind of have some similarities with the dunks, obviously modeled after the dunks, but they do look different enough. Like this part right here is different, the back part is different. They do have one where this portion right here, the toe box as well as the side panels, it's white, but it is UV sensitive, so it turns baby blue like this in the sun. And I haven't seen those anywhere. I have seen them on their website, but I am a fan of these Telford lows. You know, obviously they're not as hyped, but I still do think they look pretty fire. This colorway is pretty dope right here. Like the white, the black, and then that neon green. These are going for 90. And these are fire, dude. I'm gonna have to grab one or two of these eventually. I think their website had that one on sale. And then these, I haven't seen these in a while. The Pacifica ones. These are pretty freaking fire. They got the highs right here. These are the Telford highs. And then they got these bad boys right here, all with the Pacifico logo on them. These are pretty dope. These are going for 80. I don't know the model of these. They got some slip-ons. I don't know the model of these either, but these are 65. So those are pretty dope, man. Pretty dope. I'm a fan of those. I'm a fan of this one right here. And then I want that UV one as well. But yeah, that's Lakai right there. All right, I've been out of my house all day, so gotta go home, you guys. Gotta go home.